We got a great meal for you today. It's going to cover up all that coldness. You're going to feel great after eating it. It's terrific. Sausages and lentils. You're going to love it, mate. Pour yourself a sherbet. Let's get on with it. Salud. Okay, let's start off with some good olive oil, and don't be bashful. Smash a couple of cloves of garlic and drop them in. Now cook them up, don't burn them, you just want to get some flavour into that oil. When they start to go brown, take them out. Time to drop in about half a dozen sausages. You've got to use Italian sausages, they're nice, spicy. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to brown up the sausages. You're not going to overcook them, just get them brown on the outside. Now you're going to make the sofritto, which is the base flavour, which is made up of celery, onions, and grated up carrot. Time now to remove your sausages. Cut them up into, bite-sized pieces that you can stick on your fork. Set your sausages aside. Time to drop in your sofritto. Give that all a good stir in and cook it up till things starting to soften up. Time now to drop in your lentils and just a dash of water and give a good stir in. Add in your bay leaf and your cut up chilli. So now we drop in our tomatoes. You can use crushed, you can use cherry tomatoes, whole peeled tomatoes, any one of them. Now you put in about 1 litre of water, but you want to cover everything up. Give it all a good stir in and then put the lid on. Now we're going to cook it for about, I'll say 25 minutes until those lentils are cooked up. Take the lid off occasionally and make sure it hasn't dried up too much. Give it a bit of a stir. If it needs a little bit of water, just add a little bit more. After about 20 minutes, add your sausages in and put the lid back on and keep cooking it. So that's it, easy as that. That'll fix your brass monkey weather. Oh, mate, have a look at that. I've got to get myself some sausage. That looks beautiful, absolutely. We'll give it a bit of a blessing there, a little bit of olive oil, bit of garnish if you want to get fancy. And we'll give it a try. Let's see how we go. First I've got to try a bit of sausages. Look. Huh. I wish you could taste it. Oh, so good. Look. You got to give that one a go. I wish you could taste it. It's absolutely beautiful. Great to see you again. I love you all. Catch you on the next one.